Welcome to this Moderation GG video guide on managing event logging in your Discord server. Event logging enables you to log and store various kinds of events which happen inside your Discord server. Having a note or a log of actions that are taking place inside your server can be very helpful for your moderating team. So, let's get started. The majority of this video will be completed on the Parent GG panel, so head over there and log in. Under the Moderation GG section on the sidebar, select Logging. You'll now be presented to the Logging Settings page. At the top, this page has a setting for the default logging channel for all of your events. And below this are all of the events that can be managed and logged by Moderation GG. You can toggle events on or off using the toggle buttons on each event. Furthermore, you can have different events logging to different channels. To set this up, simply expand down the event that you want to change the logging channel for, and then select an override channel. You'll also notice an option to edit the formatting of the message that will be sent to the channel each time a log is created. Thank you for watching this Moderation GG video guide. We hope that everything went smoothly and the guide was helpful to follow. Please feel free to get in touch with us for any further support or questions by joining our Discord server at discord.parent.gg. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you next time.